Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and good. Let's start our class for 6th class General Science. Okay, for 6th class General Science. Okay, in previous class we completed our 9th lesson, that is plants part. Sorry, 8th lesson, that is and fiber to fabric. Today we are going to start our new lesson. What is our new lesson name? That is 9th lesson, plants, parts and functions. What do you mean by plants? Plants is nothing but trees, पेड़. ओके, एंड पार्ट्स एंड फंक्शंस, उसके पार्ट्स कौन से पार्ट्स रहते हैं और क्या फंक्शंस करते हो, तो अपन ये चैप्टर में डिटेल में पढ़ते. In this chapter, let us try to understand about different parts of plants through activities. For this, may group 4 or 5 students. Each group will have collect 5 to 6 types of plants along with their roots. You can collect different small plants from your garden or surroundings to be careful not to damage to any plants. So in this chapter, what we are learning, what we are trying to understanding means we are learning the different parts of a plants and through activities. So here activities are giving. Based on the activities, we are learning about the parts of a plant. Okay, here activity 1, identification of a plant part. So how we are identifying the plant part? Observe the collected plants and try to identify their parts. Take the help of figure 1 and write your observation in the table on the next page. If you don't know the name of any of the plants, can you give them a number? You can take the help of your teacher, a gardener or someone else to find the name of the plant based on the observation in the table 1. So what we have to do here, we have to take an plants and then we have to check whether what is the name of that plant and we have to identify the plant. Suppose here example one plant is given. So here names, we don't know the names. So what is the names here? Roots, here stem, this is an leaf, this is an fruit, this is an vegetable, that we have to identify and write the plant names. So here table was given, name of the plant, root, stem, leaves and flowers. Here one plant name we have to write, whether the plant having root we have to write S, if it is not having no, if it is having stem S, if it is not having no, leaves S or no, and flowers S or no, we have to write here. Okay, and here there are variations in the size and shape of plants, but generally all the plants have roots, stems and leaves. Have you ever thought that the importance of the leaf, stem and roots in plants? So here what is here, all the variations, these are the variations. सब plants एक जैसा रहते हैं, एक जैसा नहीं रहता है, कई को बोलते हैं इसके अंदर वेरिएशंस रहते हैं डिफरेंट, इसके साइज में और शेप में, पूरे सेम साइज सेम शेप के नहीं रहते, पर उसके रूट्स, स्टेम्स एंड लीव्स ये पूरे क्या है, सब प्लांट्स को रहते हैं, पर साइजेस एंड शेप्स and their functions are different. Okay. Okay, here in some plants the main root becomes thick and has thin rootlets. This main root is known as a taproot, and the rootlets are called as an lateral roots. So जैसे थोड़े roots में कैसा रहता है, यहाँ पे थोड़े plants के अंदर the main root becomes thin and has an thin. जैसे एक main root रहता है, वो root को क्या है, thick side में थोड़े अलग अलग roots रहते हैं, thin roots रहते हैं, वो type के roots को क्या बोलते हैं, taproot. So you can see here, यहाँ पे एक main थिक रूट है, ये साइड में थिक रूट को साइड में थिन रूट्स है, ये टाइप के रूट्स को क्या बोलते हैं, टैप रूट्स. ओके, एंड द रूटलेट्स आर कॉल्ड हैज एन लैटरल रूट्स. जैसे इसके साइड में छोटे छोटे थिन रूट्स रहते हैं ना, उसको क्या बोलते हैं, लैटरल रूट्स. ओके, मेन स्टेम को क्या है, छोटे छोटे स्टेम्स रहते, छोटे छोटे रूट्स रहते, वो छोटे छोटे रूट्स को क्या बोलते हैं, लैटरल रूट्स. Next, in some plants we find some hair-like arising from the base of the stem. This type of system is known as an fibrous roots. Here all the roots are similar and there is no main root. जैसे उसको मेन एक रूट है कि जैसे टैप रूट में रहता है वैसा नहीं रहता, पूरे छोटे छोटे रूट्स रहते, वो टाइप ऑफ ए प्लांट्स को क्या बोलते हैं, फाइब्रस रूट. यू कैन सी हियर ऑल small roots are formed from beginning to end. This type of a root is called as a fibrous root. Here activity 2, observation of water. Take 2 glass tumblers filled with water. Collect 2 plants having soft stems along with the roots. So what we have to take here, we have to take two glasses of water. In that we have to collect the 2 types of plants which is having soft stems along with the roots. Add red ink in one of the tumblers. Place the plant in each of the tumbler. Let them be 2 to 3 hours and then record your observation. So what we have to do here? Here we have to add an red color in an one tumbler and plain water in an one tumbler. So after in an one glass. So after after 2 to 3 hours we have to observe what we have observed, in which we poured an ink. It becomes an color. जैसे अपन जिसमें इंक डाले ना वो क्या है, कलर चेंज होता है. जिसमें अपन इंक नहीं डाले वो विदाउट इंक उसका वाटर का फॉर्म क्या है, ये कलर में आ जाता. Here next, parts of a leaf. Leaves are another important part of a plants. Most plants that we see in our surroundings have different types of leaves. So leaf is an important part of a plant. Plant के अंदर क्या है, compulsory important part कौन सा है, leaf है. So most plants will have will see in the surroundings have the different types of leaves. Leaves भी क्या है, पूरे plants को leaf रहते हैं, हमारे same type of leaves नहीं रहते, different types of leaves रहते. Okay, as you can see here, it is an leaf. ये साइड के पार्ट को क्या बोलते हैं, मिड रिब. ओके, इट इज़ एन लैमिना. ये मिडिल में जो पार्ट दिख रहा, ये लाइन दिख रही है आप लोगों को, ये लाइन को क्या बोलते हैं, मिड रिब. सो यहाँ पे क्या है, लैमिना. ये एड्स के पार्ट को लैमिना बोलते हैं. जो फ्लैट पार्ट दिख रहा है ग्रीन कलर का उसको लैमिना बोलते हैं. वेन्स मतलब जो साइड में छोटे छोटे लाइन्स है मिडरिब के साइड से उसको वेन्स बोलते हैं. नेक्स्ट हियर इट इज़ कॉल्ड हैज़ एन पीटियोल. इट इज़ एन लीफ बेस. दिस talk is called as a leaf base. I hope you all understood the class, and remaining topic we will continue in the next lesson. And your homework is you have to draw this leaf and write the parts of the leaf. Thank you.